Hi there, we're back to share a couple of enhancements and new functionalities that will make your experience with pentesttools.com even better. Here's what we have in store for this month's updates. A new tool for OSINT, new detection modules for both the network and the website vulnerability scanners, 10 times more results with the Subdomain Finder, and a few UX improvements. Let's get right into it. We've added a new tool called People Hunter that identifies the people associated with the target using publicly available information from web server responses. Details such as email addresses and social media profiles can help you identify potential targets for social engineering attacks. Don't miss a thing with new detection modules in the network scanner. Thanks to our security research team, you can now detect 3 new vulnerabilities that will pop up on the screen right about now. And speaking of Roundcube, a couple of months ago, we published an analysis and public exploit for CVE 2021-44026, an SQL injection vulnerability in the open source mail client. The network scanner now also generates explicit findings for sensitive services that shouldn't be exposed on the internet, such as SMB, RDP, and MySQL, which are easier to include in your reports. As some of our customers requested, we enhanced the evidence section of findings that the Nuclei engine generates, and now you'll receive more relevant details about how the engine produced the finding. Stay alert with 2 new modules in the website scanner: detection for misconfigured CSP headers and enumerable parameter detector. We've upgraded the reporting limit for light scans with the Subdomain Finder by 10 times. It now provides up to 1,000 entries and includes unresolved results, so older subdomains are available. We also streamlined the look and feel of our scan results page while ensuring it stays as valuable as ever. We're rolling out more visual updates for all of our tools in the coming months, so stay tuned. The Scan with Tool button has a fresh look and a new location. It's now called New Scan, and you'll find it at the very top of the sidebar. We are working to make your scanning experience even better in the future. We've introduced a new view on the team page called Share With Me. This helps you identify who has shared which information with you. Additionally, the table view has returned, making visual comparisons easier. All services statuses are now online. This is something we promise you'll always see in our new status page. The page includes statuses for our public website, the blog, the platform, the API, and more. Is pentesttools.com any good for bug bounty hunting? See what happens when the XSS rat combines his methods with our toolkit and features. Sniper Auto Exploiter also gets a lot of love, and for good reason. Since our previous email, we published 2 new podcast episodes. Our guests were Tom Aston, a true leader in offensive security, and Gabriel Bodpol, award-winning pentester. These episodes are a must-listen if you want to learn how to showcase your work and level up your ethical hacking skills. Also, David, one of our security researchers, wrote a detailed analysis on the XZUtils backdoor. So head over to our blog to get the technical details behind the hottest topic in the security community right now, the critical SSH vulnerability in Linux. See how the threat actor systematically implanted a backdoor that should have let them gain access to all internet-exposed Linux machines. We wish you a great April, and may your OffSec work reveal hidden treasures.